On a beautiful island lived a boy named Sam.
One day, I will be a captain. Sam, your breakfast is getting cold. Sorry, Mama. I was dreaming again. Mama, can I really be a captain? Yes, Sam, if you work hard enough.
Sam, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Dolly. You look happy today. A big ship is coming today. Whoa, she is beautiful. Beautiful ship.
Beautiful, isn't she?
She is the most beautiful thing ever. My name is Sam. I want to be a captain.
Are you willing to work hard?
Yes, sir. I will work very hard.
Come back tomorrow, very early. That night, Sam could not sleep. You are early. Good.
I could not wait any longer.
The most important job is caring for your crew.
My crew? I never thought of that. I am fine. Everything is fine. Are you okay down there?
I just got a little tangled.
A little? Otto, that is 8 arms. How old are you, boy?
8 years old. Sir, I started learning.
At age 7.
You are already behind.
Then I must work even harder.
This knot is so difficult.
Try again, Sam. Never give up.
I did it! I tied the knot! Yes, Sam, you did it!
The wind is shifting. What does that mean?
It means the weather is changing.
Correct. You are improving.
Thank you, Captain Crab.
Storm coming. And it is. Coming fast.
What do we do, Captain Finn?
Secure the ship. Tighten every rope.
Yes, sir. I am going.
I slipped. My ankle is hurt.
Captain Finn, are you okay?
The bow rope is coming loose.
I know how. I will fix it. Come on, Sam. You can do this. He did it. Sam did it.
Well done, young Sam.
Yay, Sam! You did it!
You did well today, Sam.
I was a little scared. Did you ever make mistakes?
Many. Every captain does.
I am going to. Keep going.
I know you will, Sam.
What does this symbol mean, Sam?
That means a storm is coming.
Every real captain needs one of these.
Is this really for me?
It was mine. Now, it is yours.
I will work hard. Really for me? Every day.
It was mine.
Really for me? I think I will be a real captain. Sam, I never doubted you. Today, we learned 3 things. 1, Ned, hard work reaches your dream. 2, bravery.
Now here is your question. What are the names of Sam's 3 ocean friends?
Write your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for watching today. Subscribe for more stories. Keep learning and keep dreaming.